In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel Amazon Prime and get a full refund in just 5 minutes. Whether you've decided you no longer need the service or you want to take a break, knowing how to navigate the cancellation process smoothly is essential. Let's dive in. Firstly, open your preferred web browser and head over to Amazon.com. If you aren't automatically signed in, look towards the top of the page and click on the Sign In button. Enter your email address or your mobile phone number and click Continue. Then, type in your password and hit that Sign In button again to access your account. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on your Amazon homepage. Here, look at the top right side of the screen and click on Accounts and Lists. From the drop-down menu, select Your Account. This will take you to a new page with various sections for managing different aspects of your account. On this account page, click on Prime. Here, you'll see a summary of your account details, including your membership status. Now, the key step. Look for the section titled Manage Membership. Clicking on this will provide you with several options to adjust your membership. To cancel your Prime membership, you'll want to select End Membership. Amazon understands that sometimes members leave their decision until the last moment, so they offer options. You might choose to end your membership immediately or set a reminder to terminate it at a later date. Choose the option that best meets your current plans and timeline. After picking your preferred cancellation approach, follow the series of on-screen instructions to finalize your cancellation. The steps are designed to ensure you don't inadvertently keep your membership, so just take your time through the prompts. Once you've canceled, it's important to understand the refund policy. Amazon's criteria for refund eligibility depend on various factors, including how recently you've paid your annual or monthly fee and your usage during the current billing period. Be sure to check the specific refund policies relevant to your situation to confirm how much, if any, will be refunded to you. And there you have it. A straightforward way to cancel your Amazon Prime membership while exploring the potential for a refund. I hope this guide has been helpful. Feel free to leave your thoughts or questions down below, and I'll be sure to address them. Until next time, take care, and thank you for watching.